Yes, hello again. We are back again. Yes, for the third Sudoku, a Sudoku with 4 stars. And before I start, I want to count the numbers, the printed numbers, because the first one has 27 with 1 star, the second one 2 stars with 26, and the 3 stars should be 25, and this one, the 4 star, should be 24. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 14 plus 5 is 19. 20, 21 plus 3 is 24. So I'm correct. 24 printed numbers. Alright, so let's get started. In this row, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9. No 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here or could be there. We see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1. No 1 there. Here 1. No 1 there. 1 place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and 6 is missing. We see here 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be there, and the 5 goes there. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 7. We see here 7. No 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square. For the numbers 5 and 4, we see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. Then, let me see. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 4 should be here. 4 missing numbers now. 2 of those numbers are the 8 and the 9. 8 and the 9, I cannot fill the 8 and the 9 in these 2 boxes, so the 8 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. That means these 2 boxes are the numbers 5 and the 6. Those are pairs, so I mark them for you so it's easier to follow. 2 missing numbers in the last column should be the numbers 6 and 2. 6 and 2. 2 and 6. These 2 numbers in this column should be the numbers 1 and 7. Yeah, 1 and 7. Alright, 1 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing here. The 8 is missing. And the 9 is missing. 8, 5, 9. Yes. Alright. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So in the column next, The only place for the 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 here, so this cannot be a 7 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be the 7. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places for the 7, here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here or there. And look, we have a 7 here, no 7 there. Here also a 7, no 7 there. Only place for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. And now, let me see. Yes. In this big square, 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. There are 2, no 2 in those 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here or could be there. So we have a 2 in this row, a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. In the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers. Oh, we have different numbers. 6, 5, 8, 9. 6, 5, 8, 9. 6, 5. Here I cannot place a 6. There I cannot place a 6. So the only box left for the 6 should be there. 1 number left in this column should be for number 5. Alright. Yeah. 5, 5, 3, 3. We have a pair here. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3. No 3 in these 3 boxes. There are 3. No 3 in those 3 boxes. So the 3 could be here or there. Same with the 2 earlier. So 3 and a 2, 3 and a 2. Alright. That means 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 6. We see here 9 and the 6, so no 9 and the 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. 9 and the 6. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 3 missing numbers now. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. The 5 and the 8 are missing. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. In this column, 1 box left should be for the number 1. Here we have the 8 and the 9. We have now a 9 there, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 8. 2 numbers left in this row, the middle row, for the number 6 and 9. 6 and 9. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Then, how about 8? Yeah. 2. We need a 2. How about the number 3? Yeah. I'm thinking. I think I need to mark some boxes. Otherwise, yeah. Let me do this. So 3 numbers left. 8. 8 cannot be here, so the 8 goes here. The 3 can be everywhere, and the 2 cannot be here. We have a 2 there, so the 2 and the 8 as a pair. This should be the 3. Then these 2 numbers in this row, the 3 and the 4. 3 and a 4. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left. The 1 and the 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this second column for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And then 2 numbers left in this third column. For the numbers 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5. I cannot fill this yet, but I marked them for you. We have a 3 now, I see. So this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be the 3. We have a 2 now, so this cannot be a 2. This should be an 8, and this should be the 2. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 8 and 4. 8 and 4. We have a 4 here. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Now we have a 4 here. So this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 5. And this should be the 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 6 and 5. 6 and 5. We have a 5 now. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 there. So this cannot be a 6 anymore. This should be the 6. And this should be the 2. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 8 and 9. 8 and 9. 8 and 9. 8 and 9. No, I cannot fill this yet. How about these 2 numbers? 8 and 2. 8 and 2. Yes. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. The first, we go back to the first row, the 8 and 9. Now we have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 5. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. Finished. in 40 minutes. Quicker than the previous second Sudoku. Quicker than the first Sudoku, I believe. Yeah. So 24 numbers, you cannot say, it's difficult than the 2 stars. So in this case, is the 4 stars Sudoku really a 4 stars? Anyway, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video. I will continue in a minute with the 4th Sudoku. It will be a binary puzzle. So I see you later, and bye bye for now.